Hello everyone. Uh, Last tutorial, I just explained how you can connect the air terminal, supply air terminal. So today we will learn about how we can able to create the returning air and exhaust fan also. So I already linked the project here. Okay. So first step, I just click this one, select the project or link, choose the edit type and choose the room bounding, apply, okay. So after that, go to analyze. You can select the space and just click the space. After that, go to room spacing and naming. Just change. Now the names available here. Okay. So now I can open the ceiling plan. Now we'll go to select in the system tab. In the system tab, I will choose the air terminals. Okay. The supply diffuser is available. Anyway, I will apply this one also. Okay. So just apply diffuser 1 and here also diffuser 2 and diffuser 3 and here also I applied and these rooms also I will apply and here also I will apply. Okay. I did. Now this air supply is done. Again, I will go to choose the air terminal and I will apply the return diffuser. I will choose the elevations. So I will apply return and here also I'll put one return. Okay. So I will apply. Now I will go to choose exhaust fan. That one also I'll put it 3000 height and then apply this two. Now go to electrical equipment. I will choose the AHA unit. I had to mention the level. I'll choose the elevation. I'll choose it 4000 mm. And I can put it somewhere here. So if you want, you can rotate this one. You have to press the space bar. Okay, right. Now I will select the air terminal, supply diffuser, go to choose the duct and go to edit system. You can apply. It's done. After that, select equipment, finish. Now I can apply for the generic layout and setting should be, you have to change it. The main, I'll put it 4000 because A AHU also in the 4000 height. So I'll just put it 4000 and duct I will apply for uh, flexible. Now you can change it the layout. If you want, you can change it. So, so I have to keep it like this way in the network and apply. So I did this one. Here you have to find out this. Sometime it's not connected. It's connected from this one. Anyway, I just remove this one. I remove this one. Okay. I can remove this one also. Now I just move this one. And I can connect this one also somewhere here. Okay. Now, if you want, you can create right click and you can able to create the flexible duct somewhere here. Now it's connected. So manually we can able to connect these things. No issue. Now again I will select this written here. Go to ducts. Uh, written here. Choose edit. Now this is become a pink color. Select equipment. I will choose it. Finish. You can apply the layout. So layout I have to change something because the main duct I will put 3500 because this is clashing. Sometime it's clashing. So I just put it. I just reduce the 500 minus. Okay. Mm. So if you want, you can change the network. It's done. You have to find out. I think it's a little bit okay. Anyway, I'll just apply because somewhere it's clashing. So that's the reason. Okay, we applied it. And exhaust fan also, we don't want to connect any AHU, but we have to connect this air terminal. So just go to AHU connected, go to the system. Okay, now again I will apply the layout. As usual, you have to find out the height. The height I will put it 4000. The height and branch also I'll put it 4000. If you want, you can able to go for a flexible. Otherwise, you can keep it no issue. So here you can find out one thing. So three colors available. One is pink, one is blue, one is green. Okay. The green is exhaust, and the pink is return air, and blue is supply air. Okay. So at the same time, if you want to check the section, so you can go to view and take the section view. And just apply the section here. You can reduce this one also, sizes. The section area. See, this is our section. You can select the fine. It will be available like this way. Okay. So here you can find out this is this flexible duct maybe some issues. So I will go back in the plan. So this is the one. So I just little bit I move up this one. So I have to find out what is the issue is. So I just remove this one. Okay. I just remove. Just keep it somewhere here. Now you can, if you want, you can go to select somewhere. So because this one we don't want this one somewhere else. So here you can go to select the flexible duct. If you want, you can able to select somewhere here also. So you can able to change that one in case, because sometimes manually we have to connect it. It's okay. Otherwise, sometime it's little small issues came. So as per your project, you have to find out these things. Now it's done almost. So I can go to choose the 3D view. So this is our uh, network. But here you can find out. See, this is not proper way to connect it. Okay. So what we have to do now? So we can arrange this one manually. I just remove this one. Okay. I just remove this one. So this one also I'll just remove it. Okay. I'll remove this one also because this is not a proper way to connect it. So I just go back to the main layout. I can draw the duct. Okay. And here, so here you have to find out the elevation height 3500. This one is 4000. So anyway, I just click here, go to select the duct, and I just drag it. After that, if you want, you can move it. So otherwise, you can go to choose the system and take it. You can able to find out the duct fittings. Okay, the duct fittings can find out any elbows. Uh, you can find elbows. I just drag this one little bit here. I will try this one to fix it somewhere. It's connected. Okay. I just remove this one. Now you can find out. See, this connection is done. Okay. So here also some issues came. So you just remove. So go back to the this one, and you can just drag it somewhere here or here, and this duct size is 300 by 300. So I just wanted to create another duct 300 by 300. Okay, I just draw this one up to here. Sorry, this one is written supply here. So I just wanted to remove, and I just select this one to choose it the supply here. Now it's okay. I will put it somewhere here, and I can go for flexible duct. So I can drag it a little bit here, and I just go to the flexible duct. I can apply. Now you can find out. So this one also fix it. So like this way you can create it. So here also in the exhaust fan. So I just remove this one. Okay. I just move it little bit here, and now you can able to fix it this one. Okay. Now if you want, you can able to change it the sizes. Okay. Now I just move it little bit because the space is the issue, right? Okay. Now I will right click somewhere here and choose the flexible duct. I can connect it somewhere here. So I did that one also. Here you have to check it. This is unwanted things. You can remove this one also. This is the, I just remove this one. Okay. Now it's almost done. Okay. Now you can choose the coordination view. Go to apply the shaded. See, this is our plan. So I can go for the section. You can choose this annotate and I will take the section box. I just wanted to do the section like this 3D. See, it's can find out, right? So you can do the section like this way. If you want, you can remove this one. You can push this one somewhere. So like this way. Okay. So this is the section. Otherwise, you can remove the uh, section. Now you can go for uh, you can hide the link. So these two unwanted these things. Now you can find out. This is your view. You can check it. So I hope you understand this one. So next tutorial I will apply the advanced HVAC settings. Thank you so much.